Hi, today we're going to get the hour meter readings off of an SR-2 or 3 multi-temp unit. We're going to let this boot up. While it's booting up, let me remind you, this information is available in the unit's green book. The green book is the diagnostic manual. So if you have access to this unit's diagnostic manual, you can find that information in there as well. We're going to do it in English today. As soon as we get to this menu or this screen, we're going to go ahead and hit menu. And then we're going to keep hitting next until we get to hour meters. Select. And there you can see our total hours, our total runtime hours, engine hours, zone 1, zone 2, and that's it. Thank you very much.